Hello everyone, I'm Derek Shakey with the Collector Car Network, and I am here at the Barrett-Jackson Palm Beach auction. Thank you for tuning in. At this auction you can find all sorts of vehicles, trucks and SUVs, luxury cars, sports cars, muscle cars, and many more. Of course there are exotics as well, and I am standing next to a classic example of one of those. This is a 1962 Maserati 3500 GTI. The 3500 is an important model in Maserati's history. According to the brand, it pulled out of motorsports in 1957, which made production of its Gran Turismo cars even more important. That was also the first year of the 3500 GT, which Maserati says was its first road car to be built in relatively large numbers. It ended up producing 2+2 coupe and 2-seater Spider versions of it. This video will focus on the coupes. The tastefully dramatic Superleggera or Superlight aluminum bodywork you see here was designed by Carrozzeria Touring of Milan and laid over a tubular steel frame. Maserati didn't let its withdrawal from racing get in the way of performance. It gave the 3500 GT the 3.5-liter straight six from its 350S race car. In 1960, Maserati upgraded the 4-speed gearbox to a 5-speed. The following year, it switched from triple Weber carburetors to Lucas mechanical fuel injection, which led to the 3500 GTI and a bump up from 220 to 235 horsepower. This 1962 3500 GTI has traveled a long way to be here. Since new, it's been in Italy, the US, and the UK, where it was put through a series of updates completed in 2021. As part of the process, the body was refinished in metallic blue and the interior was reupholstered with gray leather. No word on when the Torino wire wheels were added, but they look good and give you a glimpse of the 4-wheel disc brakes. The engine was overhauled and equipped with updates such as an aluminum radiator with an electric cooling fan and a new fuel injection system with a Megasquirt ECU and Bosch injectors. You may remember that I said the Maserati 3500 GT was built in relatively large numbers. That's the key word, relatively. Maserati's definition of high volume was completely different from Ford's or Chevrolet's. Between 1957 and 1964, it only made 937 3500 GTs. 3500 GTIs are even rarer, with a total production run of 441 between 1961 and 1964. I gotta tell you everyone, I've never seen one of these classic Maseratis in person before, and given how few of these were made, I probably never will again. If you want to see vehicles like this up close and in person, you have to come to a Barrett-Jackson auction to see them. Until then, stay tuned to our channel for more interesting finds.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching our video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And remember to comment down below your thoughts. If you want to collect a car of your own, check out our website at ClassicCars.com, which is our online marketplace with over 30,000 listings live on the site. Also, be sure to check out our sister website, Auto Hunter, which is our 7-day online auction. Thanks again guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.